What, do toothbrushes and girls?
No, she gets new ones. I think there's only one left in the packet.
What like the toothbrushes?
What? Just buy a new one each time I open one.
What?
There's always a spare toothpaste.
Oh.
I know there's only one left, so I'll buy another one. Check the razors there, Shell.
Huh?
Razors.
Oh, the other ones I like, yeah.
Keep yourself warmer for less this winter with our winter essentials. We have an amazing selection of thermals, winter clothing, throws and hot water bottles. Our great range of heaters are a must-have.